How to recover deleted call history on iPhone. In today's video, we're going to show you how to recover deleted call history on your iPhone. If you've accidentally deleted important calls or lost your call log, don't worry, we've got a few methods that can help you recover. Let's dive right in. First, let's check if you have an iCloud backup that contains your deleted call history. Go to Settings, tap on your name, and simply go to iCloud. And simply find iCloud backup and see if there's a backup available from before the call history was deleted. Now, if you do have a deleted or relevant iCloud backup, you can restore your iPhone to that backup. Keep in mind that this will restore all data from that time, including app settings and more. To do this, just go to Settings and from there go to General. And from here, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset and click on Erase all content and settings. Then during setup, choose Restore from iCloud Backup and select the backup that contains your deleted call history. Another option is to restore your deleted call history from an iTunes or iFinder backup. If you've been backing up your iPhone to your computer, connect your iPhone to your computer and open iTunes. And just click on your iPhone icon and select Restore Backup. Choose the most recent backup before the call history was deleted. Another easy way to recover your call history by checking with the cellular carrier. Most carriers store a log of your recent calls, and you can access this information through your online account or by contacting customer service. And there you have it. Those are the best ways to recover deleted call history on your iPhone.